Thimble, I've got a clever idea. They can come in.
What? Bob and the King and that huge, enormous green monster?
Yes. Amanda's invisible. They can't see her.
They can hear her.
I'm going to turn the radio on. Loud. No one can hear the baby now. Ah, Your Majesty. Princess Sylvia. Your Majesty. Bob, please come inside, everyone.
Stop that awful noise.
Ah!
What are you doing here?
I'm having a holiday. I always come here for my holidays.
You were at the party.
And someone took Amanda.
We went away before the party. When did we come here? Today is the 3rd. We came
here yesterday.
Quiet, Fimbo. We came here the day before. We came here on the 1st.
Norman, what's the date today?
Let's look. Today's the 3rd.
The 2nd was yesterday.
And the 1st was the day before that.
Today's the 3rd. Tomorrow's the 4th.
And the 5th is the day after that.
And after that comes the 6th. And the 7th.
Then the 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. All the way to the 31st day. And that's my holiday. Hooray! Hooray!
Today's the 3rd, and tomorrow's the 4th. And the day after that...
Corvax, stop that. Someone took Amanda.
Oh!
What's the matter?
Something bit me.
Something bit you? Someone bit you. Amanda.
But she isn't here.
Oh, dear. We've got terrible flies in here. It was a fly. Look, there it goes.
Stop that noise, Corvax. Now, listen. Listen, everyone. Did you hear that? She's here, in this room.
Mummy. Daddy.
Where is she, Corvax? You know. And your little friend. Where is she?
I don't know.
Yes, he does. He knows. He took the baby.
Shut up, Fimbo.
He's got a little box. You push a button and you're invisible. The baby's got the box and now she's invisible.
Now, everyone, look on the floor. Look for Amanda.
I've got her.
Here she is. No, she isn't.
Over here. This way.
Quick! I'm sure she's here. There's something here. No! Yes! Here she is!
Corvax, we can't see her. Do something, Corvax. I can't do anything. The baby's got my box.